my channel. Hi, this is Shushmita. It's summertime. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you a very easy makeup tutorial of a no makeup look. So let's get started.
The first step is cleansing. So I'm using one wet wipe and cleaning my face as well as neck. Next step will be moisturizing. I am using a few dots all over my face and massaging it very pleasantly. And for this moisturizer, I am using Cetaphil moisturizing cream. As it is summertime, sunscreen application is very important. Just apply a few dots all over your face and neck and just gently massage it. I am using Sun Cross. Once face care is done, moisturizing your lip is also very important. I am applying NMFE lip balm. Now moving to the makeup part, priming your face is one of the most important things in order to keep your makeup last for quite long. So I am again applying a few dots and gently just massaging it so that the skin absorbs it. Keep it for a little bit of time and then apply rest of the makeup. I am using here Nykaa Prep Me Up face primer. Now we will apply concealer in those places where you have dark circles or dark spots. I have uneven skin tones around my eyes and around my lips, so applying concealer over those places and using my fingertips, just dabbing them up. Here I am using Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Once concealing is done, just applying loose powder in those places. For that purpose, I am using Faces of Canada Go Chic Pressed Powder. As I want to keep my eye makeup very light, I will just apply 1 or 2 coats of mascara in both upper and lower lash lines. For this, I am using Hyper Curl Mascara by Maybelline. At last but not least, apply a little amount of lipstick, and yes, it is done. Here is the final look, which is perfect for this summer. So that's it for today, friends. We'll be back again with another one. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.